What's up, everybody? It is Amrinder Singh. Today, I'm going to teach you very important and street talk vocabulary. So, when Punjab people talk, they use these kind of vocabulary with their friends, their family, stuff like that. It's kind of very casual, like a street talk vocabulary, all right? Before I start this lesson, I want to let you know that somebody asked me a question on Spotify, but I'm not able to reply there. That person, I forgot the name. That person is asking me about. He or she was so confused about masculine and feminine words in Punjabi. So you can watch or listen 170 podcast episode, and so you will get your answer how to know which word is masculine and which word is feminine. Again, if you comment on Spotify, I'm not able to reply because it's not available in India. But if you are listening it on YouTube, I can reply there. All right. So keep in mind. Anyway, so now let's get started. The first word is jabbar. All right. So jabbar means kind of stupid. All right. So maybe some of you guys heard this word jabbar, especially I think if you are Punjabi, um, born in other countries. Maybe you listen this word among your family, but who is non-native speaker, whose background is different, maybe you don't because it's hard to find this kind of words in general, like if you're learning from teacher or books. So jabbar, yeah, it's kind of stupid, all right? There's also a phrase people use a lot, like a jabbar ਪੁੱਤ ਨਾ ਜੰਮੀਏ ਤੀ ਅੰਨੀ ਚੰਗੀ. So it means don't born stupid son. Instead, you can born a blind daughter. Why? This phrase basically created by people because back in the day, everybody wants a son instead of a daughter. All right. Then they made somebody like if you are a stupid son, he's gonna ruin everything, like maybe your wealth, stuff like that. So it's better to have a blind daughters. That's how they created this phrase. But yeah, so jabbar means a stupid. All right. There is also other words for stupid, but this is also pretty common. Our next word is nakama. All right. So sometimes people also use this nakama word, stupid, but it's not exactly stupid. It means somebody is useless. All right. You can use this phrase with your friends, maybe your family members, not with the elder one. Maybe like if you have cousins or your nephews, whatever. For example, if you told somebody to do something and they don't do it for you, right? You can say nikamma. It means useless. Like when you need it, so that person didn't do. So it means he is useless or she is useless. People also use it in general. Like some people who don't go to the work, they're sitting at house all the day, maybe doing some kind of drugs. So basically, they're useless. Those kind of people are also being called nakamma. All right. Oh, nakamma banda. It means he is useless guy or useless man. All right. Nakamma. So next word is willard. It's also very similar. Willard means kind of the person who doesn't do anything. Like who he didn't have a job, he didn't work at all. Like he just all day talk stuff like that. Do basically he was sitting at home, right? Or maybe just wandering around, something like that. He didn't do anything. So it's very similar to Nakama, but the Nakama could be somebody he could also work, but he is still useless. The willard is mean the person who doesn't do anything. All right, willard. The word the villa means like when you're free. If you ask me what are you doing, I said my villa. It means I'm free. All right, villa means free. Girl probably say like a veli. All right, my veli. So villa means a free. When we say willard, it means the person who didn't do anything. He who is free all the time. All right, that's called willard. Anyway, next word is narm. All right, So narm means somebody who's soft. All right. If it's a thing you said about narma, it means it's so soft. All right. Uh, to describe a person, narm means somebody who's polite, innocent, something like that. So that person being called a narm. All right. Our next word is khatarnak. So khatarnak means that dangerous, anything dangerous. If we say o banda khatarnaka, o banda khatarnaka, it means he is a dangerous person. All right, khatarnak. Next word is kabba. It's also very similar. Kabba. It's not exactly khatarnak, but it could be also khatarnak. Kabba. It's a very colloquial street talk, I think, kind of slang word. Kabba. Uh, like people are say, Oda Sava about Kabba. Sava means a nature. All right, your nature. Uh Kabba in this situation means like it's not good. Like you exactly don't know what kind of person is Kabba, right? So it means he is not that polite, something like that. So that means a Kabba banda, right? We say ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਨਾ ਜਾ ਉਹ ਬਹੁਤ ਕੱਬਾ ਬੰਦਾ ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਦੋਸਤੀ ਨਾ ਪਾਈ ਉਹ ਕੱਬਾ ਬੰਦਾ it means don't be friend with that person ਉਹ ਕੱਬਾ it means he won't value your friends at some point maybe he is good with you now but he's a kabba right so it means maybe later like he is not gonna be good for you that's kind of kabba banda all right uh sometimes people also use it like for example there's one guy, the guy who's A, right? A guy dealing with the B guy, all right? We know the A guy is bad one, all right, who may be doing the business, whatever, but he is dealing with the B guy. But we also know B is the kabba banda, right? So it means it not necessarily he's a bad guy. It's not necessarily B is a bad guy. It means he's clever. So even the guy A, who is a bad person, but he can't get benefit from the B because he know everything. He also deal with these kind of people. So in that situation, we can also say, "O kabba banda, o maar nahi khanda, o kabba banda." It means he won't get hit or he won't get damaged because he know everything in that situation. All right, that's called kabba. So next word is thug. So I think I described this word before. Thug means somebody uh like who backstab you, all right? Who kind of like trying to be a friend with you, but he takes the benefit from you. For example, he is kind of your friend. He is trying to make a deal. Maybe he's your real estate agent, and you trust on that guy. You think he's gonna give you a cheaper deal, but at the end of the day he feel you like it's a cheaper deal but he sell you that house or anything he wants to sell you so expensive, all right? So basically he make a money from you of you, right? Even he was your friend, he get the benefit. So that situation we can say thugga, all right? I think the word thug, thug, English word thug, is came from that, the thug, all right, who basically take advantage of people. So we can say people here use this tug word with a lot of people like who are the visa agents or any kind of dealers, these kind of people like labeled as thug who do these kind of stuff, who do basically bad things like take advantage of people, all right? This is called thug, all right? You can't trust this person. If somebody say that person is thug, you can't trust that person because some point he's gonna take a benefit from you. These kind of people have interest on themselves. They just want to take your advantage, all right? This word is thug. Next word is lalchi. Lalchi is similar to thug. It means a greedy actually. Any kind of person greedy, like in English, you describe the same way you can describe in Punjabi. So lalchi means a greedy, all right? Okay, the next word is beiman. It's also similar to these words like a thug, something like that. But its exact means beiman is dishonest. The person who is not the honest, all right? That's beiman. So mostly the people who are the thug, they are the Beiman people, right? Because they take advantage of people. They are not honest with you. They are gonna tell you one thing, but they are doing other things. All right. They're not gonna show you the honesty. Maybe if you are gonna make deal with them, they will tell you a lie. Sounds like it's a really good deal for you, but at the end of it, it's a bad deal for you. They are gonna make money from you, all right? And these kind of people are also consider Bayman. It means kind of a dishonest people, all right? Or thug people. You can also say that. Okay. The next word or the last word is dalal, all right? Dalal means kind of agent. I think yeah, it means agent. Dalal mostly people say the person who makes the deal between two parties. All right. Uh, Especially the people here talk about like a property dealers. All right. Or any kind of like a deal. Maybe there's a one person uh who makes the deal. Like let's say somebody is selling let's say horses, all right? One person wanna sell horses and another person wanna buy it, but they don't know each other. There will be some people who call dalal. So maybe you're gonna tell them and they're gonna find a deal for you. It's kind of agent basically. That person in Punjabi called dalal. And mostly people in Punjabi culture, who is a dalal, he could be a good guy, but in general, somebody who is dalal in society doesn't value them. They always think these are the bad people because they take the advantage of you. Why? Because people think like when you are making the deal between two people, it's like if you're taking the money, it's not a good thing, right? But still some people who think who don't say bad thing, like if you're taking your, like if you're honest, you're telling like I'm gonna take 1% in the deal, probably people gonna respect you. But most of these people, what they do, um they also gonna take their percentage, 1 or 2%, whatever they're gonna say. But they also like a tell, maybe like a, if somebody wants to sell like something like in 100,000, right? He say I want to sell it in 100,000. Uh, Maybe the next person who wanna buy it, they say he wanna sell it in 120,000, right? Something like that. They're gonna take like a 120,000, and other person they're gonna give like a 100,000. They're gonna take 20,000, like just from the deal. Even the person who is selling and buy, they don't even know he's gonna take the money. Maybe after like some time when they talk to each other, like the buyer and seller, maybe after a month or a year, whatever, then they found it. Oh, we didn't know that. So he make a money off us, right? So a lot of people who do this dalalgiri, this is called dalal, they do it. That's why they were not considering a good people in Punjabi culture. All right. The people who take their fair share, yeah, it's not problem with that. But in general, it's not the bad name, but I don't know, people just think when you say, if you say tell people, if somebody asks you what you do, if you say I am the dalal or I do dalalgiri, so people automatically in their mind like it's not like a good thing basically. But yeah, if you explain probably, then they will. But it's a kind of negative, become a negative word. All right. So anyway, that's it. I hope you learn some kind of new vocabulary, and let me know if you learn new vocabulary. Tell me in the comments. And yeah, and if you want to take a private classes from me, and all the links are in the description, you can contact me through that. But yeah, this vocabulary is so important. If you want to understand Punjabi people, it's a colloquial vocabulary, kind of street talk vocabulary. So yeah, I hope you learned, and I'll be back with another lesson another day.